battle a volatile oil tank fire that packs an explosive surprise.
Every day, firefighters face the unexpected. Any mistake can mean serious injury or even death. Volunteers from 3 South Texas towns have spent hours battling this blaze in a tank that holds 5,000 barrels of highly flammable crude oil. At last, firefighters get a break. The flames appear to be dead. Crews prepare to head home. Without warning, the crude oil explodes in a raging fireball that rips the tank apart. Spectators run for their lives. But some firefighters have been caught near the explosion. One by one, they are helped to safety. Several firefighters suffer second-degree radiant burns from the 3,000-degree flames. They have barely escaped disaster and are lucky to be alive.